Okay.
Good evening, friends. This is Karthik Pandit here, and I have the pleasure of having a chat with Dr. Rekha Desai, who's the founder and director and guru for Kalakruti Dance Academy, which has just completed 35 years yesterday. Her journey, as she tells me, has been very exciting, full of pain and pleasure, and lot of work for the student community. And she tells me that she has taught more than 25,000 students and interacted with more than 100,000 parents of these students, and otherwise through her workshops, through her trainings, through her seminars, and what have you. She started her journey in Chennai at a young age. She has been awarded a doctorate by the Anna University, and so therefore she is proud Dr. Rekha Desai. She's an exponent of Bharatnatyam, and she operates out of Bombay, where she runs this academy of hers. I have interacted with her over 2 3 years and have seen a performance by her students at one of her social functions. Other than a good performance, what was interesting, which has prompted me to talk to her today for the benefit of all of you, friends and colleagues and what have you, is that her students were very dedicated to her. When they took a selfie after the program, the body language spoke so much regard for the Guru. In these days, Guru Shishya Parampara is not so popular, not so in vogue with the young students. But here was a display of a pure and crystal clear Guru Shishya Parampara. So, welcome, Dr. Rekha, to this little chat that we'll have, where we'll try your.
Dance journey at a very young age, probably because I was the youngest one, and my father wanted one of the children to go and learn. We are five sisters, so he insisted that apne Chennai rahiye so like at least one girl should go and learn the art and culture of the Tamil Nadu. And so somehow my elder sister, she happened to put me into the dance class at a very young age, when I didn't even know that I would take it so further. And then after my Arangetram, I lost my father at the age of 11. And somehow that feeling was there in me that I should become independent, and yeah, I should do something for myself.
So, once you lost your
And
father, what was your inspiration that took you through from your 11 years and not asking your age to what you are today? What was that inspiration? What was the drive? What was the drive? Because it's not easy. It has to be a lot of passion, but must something more than passion,
yeah,
I'm sure.
yeah, I think that was a love for me towards the dance. And the dance gave me all that flexibility, all that creativity. It gave me so much of space that I could explore myself, my emotions through dance. So I think that was one thing which took me ahead going into dance. And immediately after my 12th standard, in fact, after I gave my 12th examinations, immediately I started on June 1st, Kalakruti Dance Academy
That's
there
where you're
at
completing
Chennai.
35 years yesterday, isn't it?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Congrats
yes.
on that. Absolute. Very,
Thank
very
you.
heavy,
Thank you.
hearty congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So that is how the Kalakruti journey started. And immediately I took up one part-time dance teacher also. I took up the job, and I was working as a part-time dance teacher in Swami Vivekananda High School there at Chennai. And one interesting thing happened after 1 year. When I was working there, there was a science exhibition.
Mm-hmm.
And obviously I was not informed about that. They must have thought that what a dance teacher will do in the science exhibition. But on Wednesdays and Thursdays, I go to that school. So one Wednesday, I went there and I came to know that there is an exhibition on this Saturday. And so Wednesday and Thursday dance classes have been cancelled. So I said, this is not done. So I went and I met principal. I said, just give me a room. I would like to do something with dance and science, a workshop regarding that.
Dance
So
and
she
sign
said, now
workshop.
dance and science, yeah. And as I told you, dance gave me all that creativity to explore the creativity. They gave me that space. So I spoke to her. She said, now everything has been allotted and everything has been fixed. I can't do anything regarding this. So next day morning, I went to the correspondence home. morning 8 o'clock. I went to his place and I just requested him, I'm working in your school and I need a room and 5 students and I want to explore dance. And because it is a science exhibition, I will do something how dance is related with science. And that was my first achievement, Karthik. For that, I was recognized by the state government and there were only 2 prizes announced, but then third was given to me because it was out of the box.
And it was at the
And
young
I
age
think
when
that
you
was,
just started. So,
yes,
yeah, so that is the
exactly.
key thing, that at a
At
very
the age
young
of
age, and
15,
you
yeah.
had just finished your Arangetram and you got this prize from the government.
Yes, yes. So that
Oh,
was the first achievement which I think then I had no doubts pursuing dance after that.
right. I have seen
Yeah.
in one of your notes, I have seen that you feel very happy that your students finally make a career out of the teaching that you give them. Now, that's a very, very positive vibe that you must be giving to your students, that they decide to learn the dance with you as a probably as a hobby or as a as whatever, but to convert that into something which they in turn teach to their students is a great
Yeah.
feeling and is a great achievement. How do you achieve that? Because you have to motivate people, and you're talking of 25,000. So how many of your students have become trainers themselves and running an academy and things like that?
I think there are many of the students have taken up dance.
Mm-hmm.
And one of my students is at Singapore. She's running my branch there.
Mm-hmm.
One is at Oman. I think most of the countries where my students have gone, they have started with Kalakruti Dance Academy there.
So your
And
Doctor
yeah.
International Rekha Desai, is it? Kalakruti Kruti
Oh,
International.
yeah.
You can change your name to Kalakruti
Yes.
International Dance Academy. Why not?
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
that is why maybe I was, one day I was just sitting in my couch and then I got a call from International Dance Council. You can
Mm-hmm.
see that CID behind my name. That
Mm-hmm.
CID is Council of International Dance,
Okay.
UNESCO Paris. So
Okay.
Kalakruti Dance Academy and I, we both are affiliated with that.
Right. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So not
So,
only from Indian
so
government, but also from
from international
international. Yeah.
acclamation, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely. So your journey from Chennai, because of your family reasons, you decided to settle down and move to Bombay. You got married. So how is the basic difference between appreciation for art, something like Bharatnatyam, between a very traditional and society like Chennai versus a cosmopolitan city like Bombay? What is the major difference, and what is it that helps you to grow the way you have grown? What is that major difference that you see?
Yeah, there's a vast difference because at Chennai, it was like every girl from a family will go and learn at least dance or music.
Yeah.
Especially the place where I was born and brought up, it was a higher locality.
Ah.
So Sanjpada evening time, there is somebody singing and somebody is doing some puja, somebody is doing some rituals and offering all these things. You know, I have seen all these things.
Right.
And after coming here, like you are in a flat and the doors are closed and a huge difference. But I believed myself that I
Mm-hmm.
can do this and I'll make a change here.
Mm-hmm.
And so I did here in Mumbai.
And then your students who have gone abroad as well, and then carried on what you taught them. That of course is a
Yeah,
continuing
yeah.
thing that is happening. So do you have to travel a lot
Yes.
to these places where your branches are there or where your students are there,
Yeah.
and impart training in
Yes.
those countries as well?
Yes. Yearly once we travel everywhere there.
Mm-hmm.
And we take the exams because Kalakruti is also affiliated with ISO.
Oh,
We give ISO certification also. Yeah.
I see. I see. Mm-hmm.
So UNESCO
Excellent.
Paris also ISO certificate also. We are affiliated with the Bharat Sevak Samaj. It's a central government body
Mm-hmm.
issuing dance certificates.
Oh.
So that way, yeah.
So, what is the age when a student, first of all, is it available, or should only a girl student take up Bharatnatyam, or even boys can take up Bharatnatyam? I mean, I'm asking a very basic question, but this is for the interest of the viewers who may want to maybe know this, you know.
Even boys can do.
Boys.
See, the king of dance is Natraj. He was a male, right? So
Right.
dance is of course for males, But
Right.
because lack of awareness, gents don't come into this,
True.
and only ladies
And what is the right
are
age when
blessed to learn this.
girls, what is the right age when girls should, or boys, whoever, a student should actually try and enter your academy, if you like? And what would be the prerequisite, the physique or the mental toughness or whatever?
No, only the age limit we have kept 2.5
Just two
to
and a
start
half.
the dance. 2.5 years.
Oh, oh.
Yeah.
And is it
Initially, it was like after 7 years,
okay? Hmm.
but
But
I don't believe that.
oh, you can start at 2.5 years, really?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. There
And
are
when
students who have started at the age of 2.5, and at the age of 10, they have completed the diploma in dance, the Arangetra,
oh, oh,
which is supposed to be the graduation in dance.
yeah, yeah.
And now that particular child about whom I'm talking, she's only 12 and she has done with the post graduation also in dance.
Oh, oh, excellent.
And she traveled with me to Dubai this year, January, when we had performed there.
Right, right. Very true. So when a student approaches you, one of course is the interest. But what is it that you see in a student, which the parents should know that they should actually
Yes.
put their child in this academy or in any of these trainings? Let me repeat the question. I
Your voice
think
is
the connection
cracking.
was, yeah, I think the connection was weak. So can you hear me now?
Yeah, now it's okay.
No,
Yeah.
yeah. So when you said a student can start at 2.5 or 6 or 7 in between whenever. So when a student approaches you, what
Yeah.
guidance would you give to the parent that if they see that spark in that child, they should maybe approach you or approach any other academy. So what is the trigger that a parent should see in a student, in his child or in their child, if he or she wants to take up Bharatnatyam?
I think basically nowadays children like dancing and music.
Mm-hmm.
So general observation of the parents is the children watch the TV and watch the TV actress dancing, and they also keep dancing. So that is one very common reason why they come to me and tell
Okay.
me that ये बहुत अच्छा डांस कर लेती है टीवी देख
अच्छा
के,
आप
तो
इनको भी
इसको
इनको
थोड़ा
सिखाओ आप
क्लासिकल में इसको कराना है.
अच्छा
Yes,
ओके
but they're not aware कि भाई this is a sadhana
जी
which will go on for years together. So
राइट
that is where the big challenge I had faced here in Mumbai. So at least for an hour, I used to counsel the parents actually, not the child.
true very true because they have to
Yeah,
sustain the
yeah.
effort and yeah and keep the child going and support his or her activity yeah and it's a sadhana as you said and sadhana cannot be
Yes,
easy and
yes.
yeah
So the hard work is from my side and the child, definitely, physically and mentally. But
Hmm.
other than that, also, I encourage all my students to perform more. See, learning is one thing, and then performing is another thing,
Oh so you
which
can
most of the dance teachers,
so they through your
dance gurus,
academy they get an exposure to perform on stage in front of the audience is that the route you take so that the
yes,
students
yes,
they get confidence and they are able to perform and in solo or in a group
exactly,
yeah.
yes,
And at an early age
exactly.
and at an early age if you do that obviously it helps them in their other career prospects as well because this could be one of their main activity or it could be something like a hobby for them
Right, right, right. And
so
there comes the role of the parents also, because the parents have to initially learn the makeup and the hairstyle and the Kalakruti Margam. Like I
mhm.
have a different Margam in Bharatnatyam style.
Okay.
So they have got to learn that things, I mean, how to dress up the child, because even in Bharatnatyam there are varieties,
True.
variety of costumes, and also I design my own costumes. So even in these 35 years, I have made a trademark of Kalakruti. So when my
Okay.
student goes on the stage, so everybody who are in dance circle, they know that this child is from Kalakruti.
Based on the dance
So
form and also on the dress that you.
yes,
Oh,
yes, very much matters, and the music also,
and the
because I
music
do a lot
also.
of creativity. Yes,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
because of Bharatnatyam, we use only mridangam, But I
Okay.
have used tabla also in Bharatanatyam recitals.
I see. Mhm.
So that is how I keep trying new things, and because of this reason, also parents also understand, and the students also get motivated. That is so much to explore in dance.
True. So tell me, I mean, you just touched upon it that a student who takes it up as a hobby, it also helps to
Ha.
develop his overall personality. Can you tell us something more about that? Because these days, in the competitive world that we are, every student has to have a rounded personality. He can be good in one thing is not enough. He has to be good in so many things. So how does this your medium help the child, or and therefore his
The one
career in the long term?
Yeah, one thing I would say that dance itself gives you so much of strength, so much of confidence into you. No, so the training which we give, the very intense training which we give, so the physically and mentally the child has to be in the present moment. So that becomes her habit. So the same thing she continues in the schools also. So wherever she goes, she spreads that positivity. So
Oh,
apart from that, I have also include yoga and few exercises where they can sharpen their memory and their concentration apart from learning dance also. So all the techniques put together, I think the child, her graph goes from here to here when she comes to Kalakruti. Within a month, they find their children speaking Sanskrit shlokas. So even the speaking capacity and the language also improves of the child. So these are the things they have been giving me the feedback that after coming to Kalakruti, there is a huge difference in the personality of the child.
in fact, you said that the child learns to live in the present. That's a very today's problem, I think, with the children is that their attention syndrome, they have a major attention deficit syndrome where they are not able to
Right.
concentrate. They go on flipping channels on the TV. And that, if you're helping them, I think that would be a major contribution that child can have at an early age. After all, 2.5 or 7 is
Huh.
not old. I mean, it's young. It's young mind, isn't it?
And yes, Karthik, as you said that they keep changing the channels in the TV, and also what they behave with their parents. That is also a huge problem parents are facing today. So we tell them a lot of stories.
Mm-hmm.
So I put them into that bhakti marg
Mm-hmm.
slowly and gradually, telling them,
Mm-hmm.
sharing them all the stories of Krishna. So that is one. Telling stories is another form of inculcating the values within the children.
True.
Nowadays, the
True.
young parents, they themselves don't know a lot of stories.
Of
So even
course.
they come and sit and listen to me sometimes.
Oh,
बोले कि हाँ इसीलिए
interesting.
मुझे they call me Guru Ma,
Yeah,
and so
yeah, yeah. So
yeah,
not only the
so
students, their parents also
we
call you,
have,
address you as Guru Ma, is it? Oh, excellent. So
yeah.
actually, this is a new perspective. I Navijatno perspective, જોવાનો અહીંયા, I mean, I'm seeing it. Okay, typically you go to
Huh.
a particular place for a particular training. I mean, for example, you go to a dance
Huh.
academy or you go to college or whatever for a particular purpose. But here you're actually developing a rounded personality, an all-round personality, not only of your student, but also to a great extent for his or her parents. I think that's a major contribution.
Parents also.
And to have touched
Yeah.
100,000 lives is a huge achievement. You need to be complimented again for that. In an absolute,
Thank you.
of course, you've
Thank
been
you.
absolute remarkable, absolutely remarkable. So,
That is
can,
why I say that when a child comes here, she transforms and her family also. So this is totally a transformation through dance we are doing here at Kalakruti.
So you gave an example of one child who started at 2.5 and now she has traveled with you. So can you give us some
Yeah.
live example of something which a child life has been transformed thanks to, of course, you and your training and the medium of Bharatanatyam. One story that you may want to share with people, really transforming life.
Oh, yes, definitely. There are many stories, but now the recent one I will tell you. One of my child, she had completed her 5 years of portions with me, and then because of 10th standard, she left the practice, and then she got into some medicine and all that things, studies wise, career wise. So, see, generally, people have an idea that dance is something which has to be done. Uh, Together with the studies, I mean, together with their careers. So once that career portion comes up after 12th standard, they reduce the dance sadhana, the training. But it is not here the same in Kalakruti. So I tell them that it is not like that. At least once or twice they should keep doing it. So they didn't listen to me. And then finally, today, after 15 years, that girl came back to me and she said, I have been working with MCs, I have been doing a couple of things, I got married, I have a child, but still I'm missing something in life and still you teaching.
So you not only
So
teach
she came back to
before,
me.
after being a mother and coming back, the whole cycle, the student again comes back to you. Oh, oh, very interesting. This is
Yeah, and she
remarkable.
performed with me at Tathubai also.
And I see that you are
So there is
also lot of cases like this, is it?
Yeah, lot many.
Oh, this is interesting.
Yeah.
And I know that your daughter Siddhi is
Yeah.
also with you on that. She's also a trained Bharatnatyam exponent, and you do it jointly, or how does it go?
Yeah, jointly. Everything comes under Kalakruti Dance Academy banner.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, that is why my website name is also Kalakruti Dance Academy.
Uh-huh.
I could have gone rather for rekhadesai.com or
Yeah.
siddhidesai.com. Initially,
Right.
we did that, but then eventually we discussed that આપણા કરતા સંસ્થા વધારે મોટી છે. અને
Anytime.
tomorrow, whether I'm here or not, and Siddhi is doing it or not, Kalakruti Dance Academy will go on.
No, it's a
And
brand, definitely. It's a brand because
yeah,
if you have touched so many lives, obviously you are a brand, and I'm sure it has a huge recall value. So it's a brand that you have created. So tell me what effort went into. I mean, you also went the family way. You moved from Chennai to Bombay, and you must be having your family requirements and pressures and pulls and all. So what is it that actually you could do to sustain your effort, to sustain your passion? What is it that actually worked in your favor, or you made it work in your favor? Because maintaining these two is not easy in these times, when the pulls and pressures of family and Bombay life are so much at a personal level and at a corporate level. uh, what is it?
yeah.
What was it? Drive, or was it? I mean, I'm trying to get into your heart, into your mind. I'm trying to search your mind and find out
I,
what. Yeah.
I think that was the madness which I had towards dance. And many a times I and Siddhi also sit and discuss that what was that one thing which took me all these years. And that जुनून, जैसे हिंदी में कहते हैं कि एक जुनून रहना चाहिए. So I always tell her कि ऐसा कुछ पागलपन होना चाहिए, otherwise you cannot achieve, you know.
True.
So
Very true.
especially in such arts and having a family and also Kalakruti family as well, where people look up to me and they depend on me and my advices. So I have to give lot of time to them as well, apart from the students.
True.
So
True.
I think that is the only one thing, that madness, the love for dance, which kept me going.
Right.
And another one thing I would say that there were no mobiles, and that was a great blessing for me. Because there was no time waste for me.
Yeah, very true. Very true. Very true.
एक तत्व अभ्यास जैसे बोलते हैं ना.
Yeah. Fully
So
focused
बस
on
एक ही, yes, fully focused on dance
ek
and
lakshya.
the family. That's all. And I have never been to kitty party. Even till now, I don't know what happens there in kitty party. No films,
Do
no
you
kitty
let your
party.
daughter go to kitty parties or no?
No, we don't have that culture. The day we have not discussed dance for 2-3 hours, like then we feel that we have done nothing.
Okay. Okay. So it's an excellent pair. Since would you want to share some of your thoughts that you have, which you want to maybe convey to, since you're completing 25 years, to maybe to some audience that you would want to address, some ideas you want to share, or a message that you want to give? Too early to give a message at your age. I don't want to say a message, but something you want to share with your with probably your students or their parents or whatever.
Oh yes. No, actually, I also want to spread this art and culture more and more in the society. Like it was in Chennai. Here also, I feel to an extent I have done this. And I want to promote this art and culture more and more in our country. As we see that when we go to US or some other countries, we are respected more for this art, and in India it is not there. So I would love to reach this art, make this art go to every house, every place, and at least they should come to know what is all about Bharatanatyam. At least that much knowledge they should have.
Very
So
true.
keeping that in mind, I have done lot of programs for ladies schools, in schools and colleges, for girl child also. And recently in this quarantine time, I have started with Kala Shakti. That is my
Yes.
program, I would say.
Yeah.
So invoking the Shakti within us. And when I see all these ladies afternoon times, they just sleep and get up and then they watch the TV serials. बहुत दुख होता है कार्तिक, मतलब लगता है कि यार मैन go out and do something, कुछ अच्छा काम करो आप, rather than wasting एक लाइफ जो हमको मिला है, आई थिंक उसको वर्थ वाइल जीना जरूरी होता है, आई
बिल्कुल।
थिंक लाइक दैट. या
तो आप
सो
ये कोविड के टाइम में आपने काफी एपिसोड भी किए हैं which will take care of your emotional and mental health and physical health. So
यस
you want to, because still I
यस
think the in Bombay at least अभी तो 8 तारीख तक तो है, अभी तो और शायद एक्सटेंड होगा, God knows what will happen.
डेफिनेटली टिल
So you
जुलाई
have
इट विल बी
something
देयर.
to share with people who are affected. All of us are affected by COVID. Something you want to share about what you have roll out in the next 10 days or whatever?
I just want to say that have patience. ये समय भी चला जाएगा. When this COVID started, I write blogs also. So I wrote that blog that this time shall also pass by. But it was too early, I suppose, because we were thinking that within a month it's going to open. But अभी थोड़ा समय ज़्यादा चला गया. Now people are depressed, in fact.
Right.
So I would just say that do some physical exercises or join Kala Shakti. This is a workshop, Karthik. You can also put in your groups. It's a free 2 days workshop where I'm introducing dance to people.
Mm-hmm.
And within the 2 days, they feel a lot of transformation within themselves.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
within the 2 hours.
Mm-hmm.
So that one thing I am doing in this quarantine time. And apart from that, we have started with online classes. Initially, I used to feel that personal classes only can be done for the performing arts.
Right.
But after this quarantine time, like even these online classes are going really good. At least you feel that you are just there and sitting there and doing dance.
आजकल तो
Like we are talking now.
schools are going to be online, virtual classes होने वाले हैं, तो ये भी तो क्यों नहीं हो सकता? बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
क्यों नहीं हो सकता? हाँ.
Yeah.
There are few teachers, few gurus who don't believe in online teachings for dance at least. But I think we should move ahead with the time.
Yeah.
अभी का जो time है, if I'm not doing this online, my students are going to forget it. And eventually they will not pursue dance. And I don't want that.
True.
At the end of the day, I want everyone to learn dance and feel that magic and experience that magic.
But you don't make one person
In fact,
dance at home,
thinking,
I'm sure.
In fact, I was thinking I should do this Kala Shakti for men also.
वो होता है ना, workout का तो काफी series है. There are a lot of series on workout, so you can't compare workout with dance, but you can somehow connect it that way, because this will be the new normal.
Part of it.
Part of it. Yeah.
Part of it.
Part
physically, mentally, emotionally. Yeah.
True.
Yeah. So I would just say all the ladies to have patience and keep dancing and keep doing worthwhile something for yourself apart from the duties, because whatever we do at home and all that things comes as a duty, as a part of duty, but do something for yourself. So I would just remind all the ladies to do that.
Sure.
Yeah.
And it so happens that we belong to the same community. We belong to the Nagar community. So I think what you are doing actually is making a lot of Nagars proud. And Nagar ma to a kala hoye chhe, so you are a real exponent of this kala that is there. So we should let all Nagars know that here is a person who has done whatever she has done and made a name for herself, not only Mumbai ma ke India ma, but even internationally, and who is giving a rounded benefit to and training to her students and even their parents. So it's an excellent achievement. Anything else you would want to say, or we can come to the end of this chat that we are having?
I think we can end, but one thing I would say that I have one NGO also. I run an NGO also. That is Kalakruti Cultural Center. wherein we do lot of workshops and lot of service to the mankind, not only through dance, but also we have other different projects. Like Siddhi has started, you know, Siddhi, the next phase of Kalakriti Dance Academy. She has started with the joy of. She has started with the Joy of Acceptance project. Hindi में શું એનું translation હતું? સ્વીકારનું some very nice ગુજરાતીમાં કંઈક ટ્રાન્સલેટ કરેલું જ્યારે એનું આર્ટિકલ એનું ઇન્ટરવ્યુ આપણે જન્મભૂમિમાં કર્યું હતું ત્યારે. So we are looking for funds for these projects where we can reach, and these projects are not for general schools and colleges. These are for the downtrodden people and for the government schools and colleges. We also did a project at a construction site where the children, where the children from the parents who were working in the construction site, so they just used to gather at some place and study. So we went there, we gave teachers there. So even for studies, my students are contributing there. Also dance and yoga and so many other things.
Excellent, so excellent. So all the best to Siddhi for this particular initiative. Underprivileged students, I'm sure they will benefit from there. They need all the support, and more so now after this COVID, where a lot of economic strains will happen to everybody around. So thank you for this little chat that we had. I knew a bit of you, but I am knowing so much more, and you are into so many activities. So I wish you all the best for activities that you're doing, and more success. And maybe after a couple of years, when we are able to talk again, you would have crossed not 100,000, but 1 million people you would have influenced. That is a wish that I make for you. So thank you so much. Nice talking to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Karthik. Thank you so much for having me here.
Bye.
Bye.